give a round of applause for Mark Curry.
Hello, and thank you to everyone for allowing me to be here today.
How can I just let you walk away?
You have been extremely understanding to me dealing with my personal struggles.
The graviton, let's do it. He's the best.
There's no way I can't write that.
Why?
Why? Because my tummy. You know what that would do to my tummy. I would get sick everywhere.
No, it's about perspective, okay?
Just let you leave without a trace.
Like on the inside, you don't feel it. You're like pinned against the wall.
When I stand here taking every breath with you.
Oh my goodness! Kurt is out! This is truly shocking.
There's just an empty space.
When he's distant, it's hard.
I'm sacrificing everything. What do you have for me that's strong?
Advia?
A day without pain is like a day without sunshine.
The skin bad, the skin insane.
I know what I'm doing, all right?
This is it?
That's it.
You're the only one who really knew me at all.
So what happened?
I'm so sorry.
It's me. You don't have to apologize, okay?
So take a look at me now.
I know that you've been questioning whether I am the fighter that you thought that I was.
There's just an empty space.
And one of my biggest regrets in life is the answer to that question. I wasn't.
There's nothing left here
So I promise that I'm gonna make this up to you.
just a memory of your face.
To see Mark back out there is truly remarkable.
I just need you to let me in.
Now take a look at me now.
With everything he's been through,
The biggest night of my life.
does he still have it in him?
What happens next?
It's simple.
Get up, Mark, get
Am
up!
I going to hurt him
Let's fucking go.
before he hurts me?
Get up, Mark, come on!
Ready?
I think so.
You think so? Come on, Mark, it's a yes or no answer. Come on, are you ready?
Yes.
Marquito is back!
How's that feel?
Feels great.
Do you want some more?
Yes, you can stretch me more, yes.
Too much?
Never.